Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to go to the contacts application, then tap here, switch to the SIM 1, tap here, go to its settings, and then select import. Select SIM card, OK. Then select contacts which you want to import, for example could be this one, tap import, and now as you can see we can find these contacts in my contacts list now. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.